In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Zoom on Windows 11. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to open up your browser and then just go ahead, type in download Zoom. After you do that, just click on it and then click on the first link, which is the Zoom official link. And then you will be redirected to this web page, which is the Download Center. You can scroll down, and here you can find the download packages. If you have an advanced PC, just choose the 64-bit. Just go ahead, click on it, and then give it some time to download. This should only take a couple of seconds. After that, click on the X app, and now just give it a moment. It will pop up for you. As you can see here, now the installation is taking place. Just give it a moment. This should only take about a couple of minutes. So just let it install by itself. And now after Zoom has been installed, it will open up automatically. The installation was successful, so you can go ahead and click on Done. Then you can sign in with your Google account or Facebook or Apple as well. So this was how to install Zoom on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.